You've seen the desert. Have you heard the desert? I'll have you guys listen to this. See if there's anything that can grow in this place apart from weeds. This is what we got. There's the pebbles. Pebble everywhere. There's a heap of it over here. Heaps, heaps, heaps of rocks. And then weed. Look what else I found. Is this a sign for the new year? See that? You see what it says? You measure your weight, record by monthly. It's not too late to calculate. Weight. I guess it's a weight loss program. I'm not sure. It's telling me Happy New Year, and then you need to measure your girth. See? And the exercises you can take. That's really cool. Maybe I should check them out. It's called Protein Power Plan. That's nice. Anybody know what it is? Let me know. Some of you geo trackers might find where I am. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning, and today is December 28th, I believe. So, want to listen to the desert? Here we go. See all these weeds? It's kind of easy, but look at that. Sounds so dry, like you never received rain in a decade. Look at that. So in order to get an acre, a plot of land to grow something on, we gotta clear all this. My neighbor is coming by to help me with his tractor to clean it up. But meanwhile, I'm expecting some horse manure, so I need to clean out the place they're gonna dump it. If I get like 4,000 square feet cleaned out, a heap of manure over here could help us out a lot. I don't think there are worms living here, but we need to invite them. Invite the worms, the bacteria, the fungi to help us grow. All we got is minerals and carbon. I need all your help. I need everybody to help me. This is not gonna be an easy task. I feel like I'm in a glass house and people are watching me. Trucks to my right, trains to my left. Here I am stuck in the middle with you. So please, I need suggestions. I need input on how to grow in the desert. Thank you guys, and Happy New Year. Talk to you in 2025.